Everyone with super cool, curly, wavy hair always says you have to scrunch, and I've never figured out how to do it correctly, but I just got the AIIR mousse, the dry texture mousse, and this might be the answer. So you pour it into your palm size. It comes out like flat, so it's kind of cool. Look at that, like a ribbon. And then you're just gonna apply it from the roots to the ends. So here we go, roots, ends, evenly. I don't know if I did that evenly. I actually did do one palm size already to kind of get the scrunch starting. And I don't know if I'm doing it right. Like I said, I have never really done this, but I can see that it's just making my wavy hair look really, really cool. So I'm hopeful that it's gonna dry and not be frizzy. So it's just damp right now. I'd say it's like 70% dry. And let's see how it turns out. So I ended up going to bed with my hair, I guess it was dry by the time I went to bed. Slept on it, and not bad actually, but what I wanna do is re-scrunch it now that it's the morning time. So let's put more in, and also I can see what it does on dry hair. So again, you can do from your roots all the way down. I'm gonna focus more on the bottom part here. So you can see the curls are really reforming. It really helped get my curls and my waves back.